My name is Wale Peter from Nigeria. Okay, I'm a team leader, a Lionshare team leader under George Rodriguez. Alright, I'm here to talk a little bit about Lionshare. Okay, now what is Lionshare? It is a crowdfunding program, okay, that is built, okay, that works with cryptocurrencies. For example, with Ethereum, Tron. Okay, we've launched Ethereum, Lionshare Ethereum. Now we are on Lionshare Tron. It's about to launch this September. Okay, so don't miss out. Now, why does this smart contract stand out among others? This is because it has a follow me metrics. That's what other smart contracts don't have. Okay? It has a follow me metrics, which means that your downlines will never leave you. You work with them. You don't lose them. Alright? You don't lose them. So that was the best. Okay? So don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. Always stay focused. Lionshare all the way. Okay? Don't be deceived. Okay? Work hard. Stay focused. Alright? Thank you. From here, Nigeria. Bye bye.